Imagine having your own private AI that runs on your machine, costs you zero, and even remembers you like a real assistant. No API bills, no data leaks, no coding headaches. In today's video, I'll show you how to build your own private AI agent step by step using local AI, Hermes, and Telegram. By the end of this video, you will literally have your own AI assistant in your pocket. Let's get started. This is what we are building today, your own AI agent. Not ChatGPT, not cloud AI, but something running completely on your system. It connects three powerful things: a brain, the LLM, a manager, that is Hermes, and a chat interface, Telegram. And the best part, you don't need coding. Let's understand why this is powerful. Cloud AI like ChatGPT or cron costs money per message, needs internet, and can access your data. But local AI, 100% free after setup, works offline, and your data stays completely private. This is the big shift happening now. We only need three components. Think of it like a human. The brain, in this case Olama, runs the AI model locally. The manager, Hermes, handles memory and decisions. The mouth, the Telegram, where you talk to your AI. Simple but extremely powerful. You can have multiple channels. This is where things get exciting. Hermes is not just AI. It remembers you. For example, if you say, write code without comments, next time it will remember that. So you don't need to repeat instructions again and again. It becomes your personalized AI assistant over time. If you are using Windows, you need to install WSL, which basically gives you a Linux environment. Just run WSL ---- install. Mac and Linux users can skip this. I'm on my Mac. Now we install the brain. First install Olama and start it. It runs quietly in the background at localhost 11434. Olama PS will list if there are any models running. Olama LS will list the models that are downloaded. I am using Gemma 4. Now to download a model, we just say Olama pull and the name of the model. Now you download the model according to your system's memory. I have 24 GB M4 Mac. If your AI feels slow, it's probably running on CPU. GPU is fast, CPU is slow. You can check using Olama PS, but don't worry, even without GPU, you can still run this. Now we install the manager Hermes. Just run the install script. Then anytime you want to reset, type Hermes reset. This will restart your AI agent setup. Now we connect everything. Select provider Olama, which is running locally. Then choose model and the model that Olama has. That is the model that you have downloaded into Olama using Olama pull. Now Hermes is connected to your AI brain locally. Next step, giving it a voice. Now we connect Telegram. Search for bot father and type /new bot. Give it a name, copy the API token and paste it into Hermes. Now we can communicate to your AI agent through Telegram. Important step, security. Search user info bot, get your unique Telegram ID, then restrict access so only you can use the AI. Your private AI is truly private. Here is the full system: you, Telegram, then Hermes to Olama, and the response. Everything runs on your machine. No cloud dependency, no data leakage. This is your private AI ecosystem. Now just run Hermes gateway start and start chatting on Telegram. Ask anything and your AI will respond. You now have private AI, memory-enabled agent, zero-cost system. This is the future. Now imagine this. What you build today is just the beginning. You can connect it to WhatsApp, add automation tools, build business workflows, even create your own AI SaaS. If you want me to show you how to turn this into a real income, comment below AI business and I'll create the next video for you. Like this video, share with someone serious about AI and subscribe to TechieTalksAI. Let's build together. This is not just one topic channel. This is TechieTalksAI, coding, AI, robotics, Arduino, 3D printing, Scratch, all in one place. Your interests will change, and when they do, we will already be there. So subscribe, stay subscribed. Your next breakthrough might be just one video away.